In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round up numbers in Excel. We'll be using Excel's roundup function, which is helpful when you want a number to always round upward to a specific number of decimal places. This is especially useful for pricing, measurements, estimates, or any situation where you don't want a value rounded down. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to round numbers up. Once your file is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the numbers are placed in cells A1 through A4. Having the data organized first makes it easier to apply the formula and copy it down later. Next, we'll enter the roundup formula. Start by clicking cell B1 and typing the heading rounded up. This gives your new results column a clear label so you can easily compare the original values with the rounded ones. Now click cell B2. In that cell, type the formula equals roundup, followed by an opening parenthesis, then A2, a comma, the number 2, and a closing parenthesis. The full formula is equals roundup, open parenthesis, A2, comma 2, close parenthesis. This tells Excel to take the value in cell A2 and round it up to 2 decimal places. If you want to adjust how the rounding works, you can modify the second number in the formula. For example, if you replace 2 with 1, Excel will round up to 1 decimal place. If you replace it with 0, Excel will round up to a whole number. You can also change A2 to a different cell reference if your number is located somewhere else in the worksheet. That flexibility makes this formula easy to reuse in many different situations. After entering the formula, press enter. Excel will return the rounded result. In this example, the result is 12.79 because the original value, 12.789, is rounded up to 2 decimal places. Even if the next digit would normally not increase the number in standard rounding, roundup always pushes the value upward based on the place you specify. Once you've confirmed the result, you can copy the formula to the remaining rows. Select cell B2, then move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it down to B4. Excel will automatically apply the same formula pattern to the other rows using their corresponding cell references. And that's it. You've successfully rounded up numbers in Excel using the roundup function.